This one's all fried. We need to get rid of all this. Ah, nice. Just buried, huh? Wires down here, wires up here, wires up here. So on the wall, you can see we got the laser already set up. This is one of the most critical parts in a kitchen. Setting up your laser and making sure that you find the high spot. They're gonna take the cabinets when they put them in, and they're gonna find the high spot. They're not gonna grind the floor down. So let's say right over here, let's say that's the high spot over there. They're not gonna go and grind an inch of concrete down. What they're gonna do is they're going to shim the cabinets up. So we wanna make sure that once they put the cabinets in and then they put backsplash on top of the countertop, receptacles are perfectly lined up. I usually go about every 2 feet to double check to find where the high spot in this room is. So if we start here, we got 47 and 5/8, 2 feet, 47 and 3/8. So the floor went up right here. Does that make sense? And then we go another 2 feet, 47 and 3/8, so that's about level right there. Then we go here, 47 and 7/16 here. And then over here, 47 and a half, so we're dropping. We get all the way to this corner, let's see what it is. 47 and 7/16, so it went back up a little bit. So the high spot in this room is gonna be right here. This is where we're just under 3/8. So this is the highest point. So if I had a dimension, I would make a mark right here on that spot, and that's where I would shoot all of the rest of them. So let's say they wanted it at 48 inches. So this is where I'm gonna go. 48 on, right there. And then I would lift my laser up to this spot because we know that on that side it goes down and on that side it goes down. I need to make sure that this entire kitchen is per code. So we need to make sure that we have at least two countertop circuits, 20 amp circuits. We need to make sure that we have dishwasher, refrigerator circuits, and then circuit for the lighting. And the microwave needs to be on its own. We ran through it already, and you can see I just wrote it on the wall. So circuit 6, this wire right here, pointing an arrow. These wires are circuit 6. This receptacle is circuit 2. This is circuit 3. This is circuit 4. And to find your circuits, you just go over to the electrical panel, and it has designations on there. For those of you electricians, you guys know left side is odd, right side is even. That one shares with that one and with that one right there. And then this one over here that's capped off is circuit number 7. You can see that on the wire right there. This goes somewhere else. We don't know where this goes yet, so we're gonna figure that out. What we got on the ground now, we use the dimension drawing, so we got 17-inch cab, and then the refrigerator's right here, and then the dishwasher's here, the sink is here. This is a corner cabinet, 15-inch cab, and so on. Good? That was it? All right, that's kitchen circuit 2. Okay, that's circuit 2. Label that one circuit 2. Was that the black or the red?
That was both.
That was both?
Both are hot right now.
No. On?
Both are hot.
Let me come check that. Go over to the panel real quick. The right side, second one down, turn it on. That's it right there. So that's circuit 4. Okay, so we need to put a box up there for the microwave. I need to get the elevation drawings though so that we can figure out what height the cabinet's going at. These two are gonna have to be refed. So let's go ahead and blast this wall open right here. So let's rewrite what the circuits are up here. Yeah, so circuit 3, we're gonna have to figure that out once it opens up. Tons of water in here. So that's why I like use the sledge, as you guys already know. I do not want a chance hitting. Ooh, look at that. Ah, nice. Just buried, huh? Gotta love it. Gotta love it. That's how they do it. No, it's dead. Oh, you know what? That wire over there that we were wondering where it goes. Oh, man. It's old Romex. That's not it. Okay. Yeah, we still gotta figure out where that one goes. So the way I make sure that all the boxes are perfectly lined up, here, this is a better shot of it right here. See how the laser crosses that screw hole right there on the top? And then same thing right here and right there. It's perfect. So I always try and shoot for the screw hole. But what I was saying is, that one is almost perfect. We can get the play to make that perfect. But if you look at this one right here, see how the laser is way off on this one? So this box, I'm actually gonna take this out and we're gonna raise it up so that it's on the same laser line. This one, dead on, perfect. And then this one is a little bit off, and it's a cut-in box. So I'm actually gonna ask the owner if he cares about this one, because 17-inch cabinet right there, and then the refrigerator. So the refrigerator is gonna come way far out. So it would save him a little bit of money if we don't have to blow that one open. It wouldn't line up though, but you're never gonna see it because it's on this side of the refrigerator. So I just wanna ask the owner if he wants us to actually spend the time to do that, or if he's fine with it just sitting there, because this is a rental. So I'm gonna get this box, redo it, and get it lifted up. So we actually have to change out this box because we need living room lights, pendant light, and then kitchen lights. We got to put a 3-gang in here. Adjustable boxes, just like normal. Put that out. There we go. Okay, we got the GFI, we got power in, and then I don't know where this one goes, but it was hooked up. So we're gonna hook it back up to the same circuit that it was hooked up to. This is gonna be our microwave right here. We're gonna put a box in right up here as soon as we get the elevation drawings. So for this one, we're gonna use a cut-in box so there's not a bunch of drywall patching. 31.5, dead on right there. So we'll check it, dead on. Right there, mark. This out. There we go. There it is. Nice lady from church. She's older. She really needs some help. One of her receptacles went out. So we are going to go run over there really quick. Need to grab my stuff. Gotta ask them first if they're okay with us filming. All right, so she said we're good to film. What she's got is a receptacle underneath the kitchen countertop. There was a flood last night and something happened with one of the pipes. So we're gonna go ahead and put a GFI in down there and grab some cover plates real quick. Yeah, everything is going well. You're doing all right?
Yeah. The Lord is here.
That's right, he is. The Lord is here. No, he does not. He does not make mistakes. So was the dishwasher plugged in down here?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we need to replace this. You have a garbage disposal or no?
Huh?
No garbage disposal?
No, we have no garbage.
You're saying that it's this one under here, right? That's not working?
Yeah.
So the first thing that I'm looking at, Ellen, is on the countertop, there's a switch. And a lot of times underneath here, these outlets are switched because of the garbage disposal. So that's the first thing I'm gonna check before we start ripping it all open. I wanna get up under here and let's put a meter in it. And then I'm gonna switch the switch and let's see if it turns on. Yeah, that was it. That outlet's fine. We don't need to do any work on it.
You're kidding.
Nope. So that switch right there feeds this receptacle right here.
I should have thought of that.
Oh, you're okay. Don't worry about it. It's on now. So yeah, no, that one's good. We don't need to worry about that one at all. We'll plug this back in. That's for the stovetop. The igniter to turn it on.
Yeah,
There you go.
it's working.
Good to go.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. So that's working, no
I'm
problem.
sorry I got you out there.
Don't even worry about it. If you don't know, you don't know, you know? This one's all fried, so we're gonna change this out for her real quick.
Yeah,
Let me find the breaker. All right, we got it in. Let's go turn this back on. Didn't trip. Check voltage. 120, good to go. Yes, you are good to go. I'm glad we got to chat. Ooh, prank call. Bob's Bite and Tackle, how may I help you? And that's it for today. So if you haven't already, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.